Welcome to Custom Glass Solutions. I'm Travis King, the plant manager here at the Upper Sandusky facility. This facility has been a great place to work since 1974. The other locations for CGS are in Fostoria, Ohio, Trembowersville, Pennsylvania, and our network and corporate headquarters is in Worthington, Ohio. Here in Upper Sandusky, we have about 300 employees. We laminate and temper glass, really in any shape and size that you can imagine. At the Upper Sandusky facility specifically, we offer a lot of different opportunities for growth and advancement. We have opportunities in maintenance, production, safety, quality, HR, accounting, engineering. Really a lot of different opportunities for growth and advancement here that can meet anybody's background.
This specific area here is a skilled trades area in which you learn to use a lot of shop floor tools, hand tools. And one of the unique things about this particular area is the fact that we do a lot of cold forming with metals. So it's kind of like a blacksmithing skilled trade that goes along with a lot of the other machining trades and things like that you would find in a tool shop. We build a lot of bending irons, we call them bending fixtures. And those tools are basically used to actually form and fit the glass that is bent to the contour of your vehicle or any of the vehicles you see on the road.
Laminated glass is like the line you see here. It's 2 layers of glass with a piece of vinyl in between that is used for applications like front windshields. Tempered glass are for items like side windows that we heat very quickly, cool very quickly, and then it'll break into little pieces for safety.
Our quality techs here, you can find them in here every day. And talk about a great job. What do they do for a living? They break glass. They're in here dropping head forms on windshields, making sure that it won't go through. And they're in here pummeling tempered glass to see that they're breaking it and making sure that it's all in small enough pieces to meet federal standards. And the idea behind that is if you don't have shards of glass, you're much less likely to be injured severely in an accident.
So if you look through here, here's some of the PPE that we have. This is a Kevlar apron that we wear. We do handle glass. Some of the glass that we handle is raw. We have Kevlar sleeves that go over our arms here. Some of the glass we handle, like I said, is raw. We also handle razor blades. You see here, these are prescription safety glasses. We do offer prescription safety glasses as well as just standard safety glasses. Something that we're constantly evaluating along with all of our PPE is the dexterity and strength of these gloves. So with time comes innovation, and with innovation comes new product that we might want to try. And lastly here, we have an ATA jacket that's meant to cover the entire upper body for, again, cut resistance and puncture resistance.
Here at CGS, we focus on really 5 core elements. We believe that a good work culture gives us a competitive advantage in the market. Those 5 elements are safety first. If we can't do it safely, it's not worth doing it all. We focus on safety in anything and everything that we do. Next is do the right thing. Have impeccable ethical standards, have integrity in all that we do. Wow your customer. Obviously customers are important, both internal and external, here in the marketplace to amaze them with our products. Relationships matter. Relationships, both internally and externally as well, are important to build a strong culture and strong relationship with our contractors, vendors, and everyone. Last but not least is a can-do attitude. We want everybody to be all in all that we do every day.
I know when I was your age, I had no idea what I wanted to do for a living or for a career when I was going to get out of high school. I was fortunate enough to get into this position. It took a lot of hard work, but what I can say about Custom Glass Solutions is they hire people very well. They hire good people. And when you guys are ready, you should come check us out. Thank you.